Anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen knows that there's at least one gadget out there for every single step in the cooking process. But there has never been an appliance that could handle them all. Until now, that is. Stay tuned.
Clarity is clear to see.
According to newsatlas.com, in order to give those robotic hands the culinary experience necessary to masterfully create restaurant-level meals, MOLEY works directly with chefs to compile recipes. More than merely typing ingredients, measurements and step-by-step instructions into a computer, the chefs actively prepare the recipes for live 3D recording. The system is able to capture the nuances of the chef's actions, relying on custom algorithms to translate human movement into digital movement. MOLEY plans to compile more than 5,000 recipes. The homeowner controls the kitchen through a large touchscreen that includes all the different recipes, and uses compare results down via a variety of parameters, including specific diet restrictions and cuisine type. That price is all but guaranteed to make sure that the MOLEY kitchen doesn't go mainstream anytime soon. The machine, which can be fully customized to blend right into your kitchen, starts at £248,000, about $335,000. But MOLEY hopes to introduce slightly more accessible models in the future. Until then, one can dream.